This Dimoon light green peel and stick wallpaper offers a soft, muted shade inspired by designer color palettes, giving rooms a calm and modern feel without looking harsh or artificial. The generous roll length covers a large wall area in one piece, which helps reduce visible seams and keeps the color consistent across big projects. Its vinyl material has a subtle texture that makes it look more like real wall finish than shiny plastic, while also resisting everyday scuffs and splashes. The self-adhesive backing makes installation straightforward because you can reposition it during application and remove it later without leaving sticky residue behind. The waterproof surface wipes clean easily, so it works well in high-traffic spots like kitchens, entryways, and kid-friendly spaces where marks are common. Beyond walls, this wallpaper is sturdy enough to refresh cabinets, shelves, and drawers, letting renters or decorators coordinate an entire room with a single matching roll.